Shree Digvijay Cement Company Limited, a cement manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1944 and got listed on NSE in 2020. They are based in Jamnagar, with more than 200 employees and 400 workers. They have one manufacturing plant, located in Jamnagar, with a production capacity of 1.2 million metric tons per annum. There are plans to increase the production capacity to 3 million metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2025. Company has mineral rights to 3 mines, Devar Bhuvaneshwar, Mokhana, and Pachitardi, which is expected to have 27.49 million tons limestone reserve. Mr. Anil Singhvi is the executive chairman of the company, who has spent 23 years building up Ambuja Cement, where he rose from manager to managing director and CEO. The market cap of the company is 1,625 crore rupees, and currently trading at 110 rupees per share. The company has a 16% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 17% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. In fiscal year 2019, True North, previously known as India Value Fund Advisors, acquired 57% stakes in the company. Company manufactures different types of cement, like Portland Pozzolana Cement, OPC Cement, SPRC Cement, and Oil Well Cement. They also produce clinker, which is used for cement production. Company markets these products under its well-known brand, Kamal Cement. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been small drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 2 rupees 50 paise per share was paid in June 2023. Some clients of the company are Gujarat State Petroleum Corporation, Gas Authority of India, Reliance Industries, Baker Hughes, ONGC, Schlumberger, Oil India, Focus Energy, Halliburton, and more. Coming to some key highlights. In 2023, company received second fastest growing cement company award by First Construction Council. They are also engaged in logistics business via its wholly owned subsidiary, SDCCL Logistics Limited. Company received environmental clearance for expansion of capacity to 3 million metric tons per annum. They have a license from American Petroleum Institute for the manufacturing of oil well cement. Company has more than 1,000 channel partners. Currently, they export to only one country, with a revenue concentration of 0.3% from exports and 99.7% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.